In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Pandadoc. Whether you have a pressing question or a sales inquiry, reaching out to Pandadoc's support team can be straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the best way to get in touch with them so you can receive the assistance you need promptly. First, if you're a current Pandadoc user, the easiest way to reach their support is by logging into your Pandadoc account. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find the Help button. This is your gateway to immediate support and access to helpful resources. Clicking the Help button gives you the option to select Live Chat. This feature is incredibly useful if you need quick assistance. You'll begin your chat with the support bot, which is designed to answer frequently asked questions and guide you through basic troubleshooting. However, if your issue is more complex, there's no need to worry. You can choose to connect with a live agent who can provide more detailed support. Alternatively, there's also an option to submit a ticket, which is great for non-urgent issues that you need to document and follow up on. If you're not yet a Pandadoc user, or if you have general inquiries, you can use the contact form available on the Pandadoc contact page. This form is straightforward and allows you to submit your questions or comments directly to the support team for any non-urgent matters. For those with sales questions, whether you're looking into Pandadoc services or need more information before making a purchase, there's a dedicated pathway for you. Navigate to the contact sales page and fill out the form there. This will connect you with someone who can answer all your pre-sales questions and help you determine which solutions best meet your needs. Lastly, for support requests that are specific and require thorough assistance, visit the Help Center and submit a detailed request there. This is an excellent way to get documented help on intricate issues, as you'll be able to track your request and reference it later if needed. In summary, reaching out to Pandadoc can be done through various pathways depending on your needs and status. Whether you're utilizing their digital office tools already or just considering becoming a client, you'll find responsive customer service options designed to keep everything smooth and efficient for your needs. Following these steps ensures that you're making the most of the resources provided by Pandadoc and that your questions are addressed in the manner most suited to your situation. So, whether it's a quick question or a more in-depth inquiry, you'll know just where to go. Thanks for watching and best of luck in your Pandadoc journey.